Hello everyone. Once again we are here with the next topic, that is quadratic equation. So let's start with the problem. A man is 3 times as old as his son, and 6 years ago the product of their ages was 288. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the quadratic equation, and at the end of the chapter you will be able to answer of such questions like define quadratic equation, solve the quadratic equation by using one of the following method, that is factorization, quadratic formula and graphical representation. So we will start with this problem. So here we are having, suppose this is sun and here is man. So first we will discuss about their percentages. If we let the percentage of sun is x years, so according to the question, what is a man's age is 3 times of his son. So here we will write 3x years. Now it is given in the question 6 years ago. So 6 years ago. Ago means earlier than this age. So we have to subtract 6 from this age. So this will be x minus 6 years, and this will be 3x minus 6 years. This is given. Now in the question it is given that the product of this age, 6 years ago, the product of their ages was 288. Now we have found here the 6 years ago's age with the help of this present age. So product of this age, it is given here x minus 6 and 3x minus 6 is equals 288. So now we multiply them. We also read this in our 8th class how to do the multiplication. So x is multiplied to 3x, this becomes 3x square. This x is multiplied to 6, this becomes minus 6x. This is multiplied here minus 18x, and this is multiplied here, this is plus 36 is equals 288. So this will be 3x square minus 6x and minus 18x plus 36. If we transpose this 288 to left side, here remains 0. So 3x square, this minus 6 minus 18 becomes 24x, and this is comes in minus sign, 8 minus 6 2, this is 5, 252 is equals to 0. So this kind of equation we are having. So we can see here the degree of this equation is 2. So we can define the equation now. This is the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is a polynomial of second degree in one variable. So it have how many maximum solution? 2 solutions. So this is the general form of the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equals to 0. So this definition is just satisfied this equation. This is the quadratic equation because the degree is 2 and is in general form ax square, this is bx and this is c. So this is the definition of the quadratic equation. Now solution of a quadratic equation is also known as roots. So the next question is how to find roots. So first one is the factorization method, though we have done this in our 9th class also. This is 3x square. This is our regarding equation, the problem we have taken here, 3x square minus 24x minus 252. So 3x square minus 24x minus 252 is equals to 0. So we can use here the middle term split method. To reduce this factorization, we can take 3s common from the whole. So this becomes x square 8x and minus 84 is equals to 0. So now we can write this equation as x square minus 8x minus 84 is equals to 0. So the step 1 is, because this is a middle term split method, so we will split the middle term with the help of these factors. The factors of last and the coefficient of first term is 84. So 14 and 6. is a factor of 84, that we have the difference as 8. So x square, middle term 8 can be written as 14 minus 6, this x as it is, minus 84 is equals to 0. So x square minus 14x, open the bracket and also multiply by this x inside the bracket. Because of this minus sign, this minus becomes plus. So minus 84 is equals to 0. So here we can write these in groups. X square minus 14x plus 6x minus 84 is equals to 0. So x can be common from here. X minus 14 plus 6. Here also 6 can be common. So remaining x minus 14, x minus 14, and this remains here x plus 6. So either x minus 14 is equals to 0 and x is equals to 14, or x plus 6 is equals to 0 or x is equals to minus 6. So we know that age cannot be negative. We cannot say that my age is minus 6 years. It means we are not born. So this cannot be negative. So we will choose the positive answer. So man's present age will be 3x, because in our question when we have, this is a man's present age and this is son's present age. So son's present age is x. So x is our 14 years. Man's present age is 3x. So 14 3s are 42 years. So this is the method, factorization method. The next method is the quadratic formula. This, suppose we are not able to find the factors, difficult to find the factors, then the quadratic formula we can use. So general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. This is just a look of the derivation of this quadratic formula. So now the step 1, what we are doing, we are taking this c to the right side. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So this c, we are just taking this to shifting to right side. Now we will divide this whole equation by a, the coefficient of x square. This is a step 2. This a can be cancelled out. So we are having x square, b upon ax is equals to minus c upon a. Now the step 3. To make here 2, we will multiply the middle term, this term, by 2 and also divide by 2. X square plus 2 multiply x, here is b upon 2a. By this 2 we will multiply and divide, is equals to minus c upon a. Now to make it in the form of a plus b whole square, we know this identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this right side we are having x square plus 2ab, we are having here. To make it this in this form, b square form, so what we will do, we will divide by, because this is 2, this one is a is written here, this is our b, so b is this one, b upon 2a. So plus b upon 2a whole square, we will add both the sides to make this identity in this form. So x square plus 2x into b upon 2a plus b upon 2a whole square will add and both the sides. So this side we are having a square plus b square plus 2a into b. So we can write this as a plus b whole square, x plus b by 2 whole square is equals, this we are having c upon a, open the bracket, b square upon 4a square. So x, now we will solve this only at the end. When we solve, we will get the quadratic formula. X plus b upon 2a whole square is equals, taking the LCM 4a square, this is minus 4ac plus b square. So x plus 2a, removing this square, we will take the root of the other side. We know that when we are taking the root, we are getting two values, plus and minus. So x plus b upon 2a is equals plus minus under root. We will write the positive term at the first place and the negative term at the second place only. B square minus 4ac upon 2a. So now we will transpose this b upon 2a also to the right side. X is equals to minus b upon 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Taking the LCM and solve, we are getting x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is our quadratic formula. Now we can see roots of this equation are, we are getting two roots. One root is if we are taking the positive sign, x is equals to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Second is x is equals to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Like this we can find the, now we will find the answer of the same problem that we have discussed, here. 3x square minus 24x minus 252 is equals to 0, and we have taken here 3 as common, so we are having x square minus 8x minus 84 is equals to 0, or we can write the equation as x square minus 8x minus 84 is equals to 0. So this equation again, if we compare this given equation with the general form of the quadratic equation, we will get, now we will compare both the equation. So we have a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 8, and c is equals to minus 84. So this is the quadratic formula. We have discussed x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. X is equals to, putting here all the values, and on solution we are getting 8 plus minus 64, this is b square minus 4ac 336. When we do the calculation we are getting 400, the root of this is 20. Now we are taking the positive sign first, x is equals to 8 plus 20 by 2, we are getting here 20 by 8 by 2, that is 14. X is equals to, now taking minus sign, again we know that the age cannot be negative, so son's age is what, x, that is the 14 years, and man's age is 3x, that is the 42 years. So like this we have found this. Now the next thing is that we can find here the nature of the roots, or the sum and the product of the roots, that we have discussed in the previous chapter, the polynomial. So in that chapter we have, without the advantages of the quadratic equation, the quadratic formula, that we can find without actual calculation, we can calculate the sum of roots. If alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c, then alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a, and product is c upon a, that we have read in the previous chapter, that is a polynomial. So here, if we suppose that alpha is equals minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, one positive, one negative. If we want to find their sum, so this plus this, when we take their LCM, common LCM is there, so we are having minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac, this is plus minus becomes here minus, and this is minus already, b square minus 4ac, this can be cancelled out, this becomes minus 2b upon 2a, this 2 can be cancelled, or we are having minus b upon a, that is a coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, that we have read in the previous chapter, that is the polynomial. Similarly we can find for the product also. So this is for you just try this product to find out that c upon a, that is a coefficient, constant term of coefficient of x square. Now the next term is their nature of roots. How can we find the nature of root without solving the quadratic equation? This can find with the help of discriminant, that is denoted by d, delta, or we can write it as delta, right? So that is equals to b square minus 4ac only, that is in the root. So if d is less than 0, roots are imaginary. D is equals to 0, roots are real and equal, and d is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. There are two roots, because already we have told that this is the quadratic equation. Now we will just try this for our problem. The problem we have taken here, x square minus 8x minus 84 is equals to 0. If we compare this with our general formula, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 8, c is minus 84. So on getting this, the calculation, we are getting d is b square minus 4ac. So we are having 400, that is greater than 0. It means roots are real and unequal. The next method, graphical method, we will discuss in the next video. Thank you so much.